Hi gang, welcome back to Opa's workshop. Today I got my oldest son, Ian, and I got my only grandson, unless I get some of my other boys to start contributing, Jackson. How old are you, Jackson?
6.
6?
Yep.
Wow. You want to help Opa and make something today?
Yeah!
What do you want to make?
A toolbox for my mom to use for her garden.
A toolbox for your mom to use for her gardening tools?
Yes.
So she can carry around her garden stuff?
Yes.
Okay, you gonna help?
Yes.
Okay. Well, stick around, gang. We'll be right back and we'll get started on it, and let's have some fun. Right, Jackson? About 12 inches long. Here. See where the 12 is?
Yeah.
Make a mark at the 12. Right there.
Like this?
Yeah, there you go. That's the one I always use, the little mark. All right.
I don't like that. Make more in my heel. Is that it?
Hammering on the nail, not on the wood. Hit it like you got a pair.
Okay. I'll try to, okay?
All right. Help him.
Come on. It was noisy.
Well, gang, he's finished. Had to have a little help, but He's just now learning. And what do you think, Jack?
Yeah, that's good.
Think your mommy would like that?
Next time we might spray it.
Well, yeah, next time what we'll do is
Like spray the handle.
right, we'll spray it and
Let it dry here until we leave.
well, this is just for today, right now, what
Yeah.
we're doing. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And any comments, questions, feel free to send them in. Any ideas on future projects, I need to hear them too. From Opaw's Workshop, this is Ian, Jackson, and Opaw, and Steve saying goodbye.
No, Steve.